Now, engineering is all about give and take, and while we might like this change, it's messed something else up right back here. This is interfering as this sweeps around. So how do we fix that? Let's jump out of the motion. We can go back to drag component and just touch on that link and swing this around and look what's happening here. We'll swing that, hold it down. We can see it's interfering right there. So what we could do is go back here, open this part, and we could push this piece back, this face. We could simply push that back, or we might want to just add a circle. And I could just go on to, let's go to this face right here, and I'll hit F3 to lock. And I'll go back to the center of this circle right there. Maybe I'll look at that square on. Go back to sketch view and get the center of that. Just go out past that so it clears. So now when I come back, accept that region, push this up and make sure it's on take away. I want to cut away. And now when we run that, it should be okay. Let's just double check. We'll close and return. Go back to motion. Now when we run motion, we'll see that clears okay. Now, if we'd like to catch more material to crush, we might want to make adjustments to this arm right here. So I'm going to go in here to this face, and I'm just going to push that in. So let's just push that in, say 30. And then I'm going to roll this around with the synchronous technology, this magic wheel. And I'll come up to this face right here, grab the magic wheel on this yellow part, and I'll spin that around. And let's spin that around, and it's negative, so let's go negative 35. And then I'm going to go to the extrude button, select on extrude, and just pull that out. And let's pull that out to say 50. And I might want to go in and add a round into this, round this edge and round this edge in there. Let's make that a little bigger, say 33. Let's go 27. And now I'll close and return and fit the view. Let's go back to motion and run this again. Let's see what that looks like. And so now it might sweep things in a little easier. Now, another area of concern with this design is, as this sweeps up the material and it gets crushed right here, where does it go? It's just going to build up here and it's got nowhere to go. So let's go and close and return out of here, and we'd have to make adjustments here to this part. And so what could we do here? We could simply come into this face and let's sketch on this face right here, and we could just draw a couple of lines back here and maybe another one back here. We could just cut out all this material. I'll go back to select, cut out this material. And so it's got somewhere to escape. And then what you'd need to do is go and put some sort of bridge up here over the top of this. Something that fit into you. If this was a robot, something that would fit in to your robot design. So we'll just take one more look at this, and you might want to round some edges. We'll simulate motor one more time. And so it's got somewhere to escape.